nyame shiraw na onyame enyo kese medinde osofukum chacha na information sibia ana fake news bia yeni abako a waye adwuma wo untumi TV station a ya friend ohene ba asiedu ediaba out no hwe na last week no me free media for any journalist for ebi say sofukum chacha abodua and ebi say makese mayese sa jimie wei on sa jimie ani nkwase akeka bi say ene ma me kum chacha me here press conference no why said the whole country by 30-something million population by 30-something million population ebe to aba na electoral commission atumi awie ne niama ada oguso na kabiya na awotwemi no na the whole nation ato aba na electoral commission na ono sha abato so no edi abato abonten say December 7th and the whole Ghana ya to aba the whole Ghana to aba na yenye Jimmy fo kwase Jimmy kurase ni bi jejentwie Jimmy fo bi yalefo twafo kwasampani bi ayese ya friend ohene ba asiedu na wabetra yenu chama untumi station na wokeken kwase asam say 7 December no eye Dr. Bawumi ape ana ye to abana ma no na onwa aka ne de onwa abato ne be sheda foforo once we say sam mawresam pauna ya mawresam pauna wo poso te se odwan no a wo poso se nantwie me no once mawresam pawa MPA ya eme kondam eme ken kwase asem eye obia kamore sample dimrika abe ya mebebe abe ken kwase asem sadie we ya sa wo hene ba aye friend asiedu abe no ebokuro bo man echin said obi ahwe acid yagu baabi echin said obi ahwe acid yagu baabi ebokuro bo oman da bia mekase won sambi dia fo ni bia onwo jimiye na won tira radio so a san kwase akeka ni nkurase kasa wese no ya munhwe Liberia o na munhwe Sierra Leone na munhwe Cote d'Ivoire na munhwe de esisi wo na ye beto aba the whole country as a date say yam fanto aba any president na fisem wa ye adwuma na fisem wo ye MPP ni ohene ba asiedu na MPP fo ye adwuma adana wo ma 7 December na yento aba na free on the 8th and on the 9th kono electoral commission emfa figure ma na ye hu de wa winie na udimrika senantwie kwa sampani na udimrika ati say opuro kwa sampani now the wrong information now the ababe to abonten sadie we ya waye no ebokuro bo man sa mu jimi ye na ya mu kono no mo ne ma bi ani mo buru ani wi tofina na mu nwie ne yama bia ya na mu nwie wi a na mu de abetra TV ni radio so samu ye presenter fo no san kwase asem we oh nyame e de betuetu amoka maako nyame ene de punishment ebe mam kwase akwa abo dwan me kuroni mo wos yalefu obi te sa wono kuroni mo 30 million plus population no kuroni mo na wofu kututi so obi a ka na udimrika senantwie kwa sampani na udimrika ati say opuro kwa sampani na udi wrong information na udi ababe to abonten sadie we ya waye no ebokuro bo man samu jimi ye na ya mu kono no mo ne ma bi ani mu buru ani wi tofina na mu nwie ne ma bi a ya na mu nwie wi a na mu de abetra TV ni radio so samu ye presenter fo no san kwase asem we oh nyame e de betuetu amoka maako nyame ene de punishment ebe mam kwase akwa abo dwan me kuroni mo wos yalefu obi te sa wono kuroni mo 30 million plus population no kuroni mo na wofu kututi so obi a yellow do toilet mu wagu ne yam na kuroni mo na nka wonko a waye wafun awuhuro ati so obi a ye no apetesu wananum kwase na kuroni mo munyan ne mo wasei na kuroni mo wuhia pass obi ko prison wo wuhia sadie we ya waye no ebokuro bo man one say ye wu pani bia wo ba bonti a wa be condemn say ebi abade a me de yeminim sadie we se MPP mpanifo na nkasa esesu ngina be condemn no say adia na abrantia na eye no ene nsam na okeka no esai wo man esai kuro ema wo man koso ena Ghana ya kan say media de be commission no esam de letaba na abrantia no mu yini free TV ene radio bia so esam de letaba na mu yini free TV ni radio bia so sadie we ya abrantia be ye ebokuro bo man one said the bia ya na mekan ya mekan ene obi say kum cha ene opekasa last week yawo ana mekan media fo ni bi ho asam aka electoral commission ho asam aka sensem we ya da sole ya da ko ya ne content at se prako no abekeke nsem hu we ya se konfo bone o se kromo a ya no so kan ubi otemu bi na ka be 2 weeks na ya beto aba na ya call for peace asumdwe na de na mu baniye sadie wenti na enipa bi nyini ama bi ni a won se ya to abawi a ye begina ho na ya hwe ne eko a ye nua na masoja fo wani bi ade krata pie se ya to abawi akọ sani amaniama we bi yo sani amaniama we bi hwa ohene ba ese edu a wo ye adwuma wo untumi TV ne untumi radio saade wo yi a wa be ye no ebo man ese kuro adija to kurom tie di America no ese kuro bo man wanya de ba kokora wanya de we see a do kwose ba bi kodu tam e beto aba awie koso ye busue ni ayo man boni ayo bayi bronsam nan kasa ye maame wata ayo papa wata ayo kurase ni journalist ayo atiti kwani wadwin ya dwuma kwase asem se ya ena modi tu kurom because of mafu ena mode nam monwe wo man no won aka ho nyame sha obi a midinde osofukum chacha I love you where you can back say totally badass.
A very big hello to all our lovely Tap Send customers across the world. We appreciate you and we say a big thank you for supporting us and sticking with us all these years. You are the reason Tap Send is there, and you would know that right now you are not able to use Tap Send to send money to Ghana. The reason is that the Bank of Ghana has suspended our local partnerships with banks and financial institutions in Ghana. That means that we are not able to send your money to Ghana right now. This suspension is to do with the wallet product, which we Tap Send launched in the UK and Europe. The wallet product is licensed by the regulators in the UK and Europe. It is legal and is totally compliant with all the regulations. Bank of Ghana, however, have some concerns with the wallet, which we are working really hard to address. So for now, they have suspended our operations in Ghana for up to a month, and we are working to do our very best to reduce that suspension as it stands. I will say though that the wallet product is legal in the UK, like I said. Your money is completely safe and protected by the laws in UK and Europe. So don't worry about your money. If you have money in the wallet, it will still be there when we come back, and it will be safe and secure. This wallet is innovation from us, and we hope that we can resolve this and continue to serve you, the Ghanaian diaspora. What I'll say though is, just like you stuck with us all this time, please stick with us again. Don't send your money through others. Hold the money if you can, and send it in December, because we are coming with big promotions, we are coming with big giveaways, and we are coming with good rates to allow you to send money to Ghana and have more money for your loved ones in Ghana. So please stay with us. Your love help us build Tap Send to where it is right now. Your love and your support will continue to help us come back from these issues and continue to build Tap Send. Thank you very much. We love you from all of the Ghana team. Please keep supporting us. We'll be back soon.
Tap Send. Papa no.